Hello guys, a very warm welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'm going to provide you information regarding to the Bachelors of Fishery Sciences. So I am also going to provide you information regarding to the jobs what are available after BFSC course. So the eligibility factor for this course is physics, chemistry, either combination of biology or maths. So guys, this is the fee structure per annum like 15,000 to 30,000 per government colleges. So guys, you have to consider this is for government colleges. If you are taking the seat in reputed universities or in a private institutions, then you their fee structure may be vary, and if it is possible I will make a video upon the private institution on the fee structure according to this course. So guys, these are the top 10 colleges for Bachelors of Fishery Sciences. So have a look. Scared Heart College, which is located in Kochi. So guys, Mahatma Gandhi University, which is located in Kottayam. So Kerala University, and also Cochin University of Science and Technology, which is located in Kochi. So St. Albert's College, like Pant College. So Govind Balla Pant University of Agriculture and Technologies, which is located in Pantnagar in Uttarakhand. So guys, here it is. A scope and career prospective in fisheries, guys. So if you are very interested to join in earlier age of fisheries, then you may choose in a diploma, which is a diploma in fishery sciences, guys. So you may do after your 10th completion of your 10th. So if you want to interested to join a BFSC, you have to pass out your intermediate with eligibility criteria. So I have told you about what is the eligibility. You should be passed out through PCM or PCB. So then only you will have a chance to get secure in a seat in BFSC. If you are interested to do masters, then you can also do like MFSC, so which is nothing but a masters in fishery science. So guys, you can also apply like MSc in fisheries or aquaculture, or you may also like oceanography, marine biology, etc. So here it is, guys, state government jobs as well as central government jobs, guys. In state government jobs, mostly you will get a chance like a fishery field assistant, assistant fishery develop officer like AFDO. Otherwise you will get a chance like fisheries extension officer, which is FEO. So you can also get an opportunity through a state government job like district fisher development officer, guys. These are the state posts which you can give in your state, guys. So if while talking to central government, you can also give like MPEDA, FSI, NFDM, NIO, WHO, FAO. So you can also work like in academic institutes like assistant professor and subject master specialist. You can also work as a scientist. If you are interested to do national banks, you will get an officer post, which is a field officer or branch manager. You can also become a branch manager, guys. Guys, if you have an interested to do business in this field, then you can also become a businessman regarding to the fisheries sector. So guys, if you want to work as a private sector, then you will get a manager level in a private companies. So here few are, guys. So if you are interested to do MBA after the graduation, then you may also appeal for this MBA course, guys. So otherwise, if you are interested to do a research works, then you may also apply for this JRF or SRF. Or if you are interested to do a foreign job, then you can also apply for foreign countries to do masters. Then only you will get a chance to do to work there. So these are the few sectors, guys, like lecturer and research assistant, like consultant. So guys, according to salary, so it may vary from position wise. Like if you are in a government sector, then you will get a more salary compared to in a private sector. So guys, while talking on an average, so you will earn in a 4 lakhs per annum, guys, in Indian currency. So this is all about fisheries, guys. If you like this video, please do a like and share and comment, guys. So please do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.